So I got this adhesive clip organizers, and they are meant to be used to arrange your cables. So let's go over to my bedside. I have a couple of cables that I need to keep organized. So this is the size of the clip. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the clips right over here because I want the cables to be attached and I don't want them to move because they're always moving all over the place. So first thing, I've wiped the surface off. So you're gonna take the clips like that, and I'm just gonna put them right where I want it. And you can see, you can just slip it in there, okay? And it keeps this secure so that it doesn't move anywhere, and my thing is charging right over there. And then I can also take another one. There's so many of it, you can actually take another one and even line it up right over here. And it clips really nicely on here. And you can see it's able to move your cord. You can move the cord back and forth. So it gives it movability. You see it can move it back and forth. And even if I want to remove it, I can remove the clip, the cord from the clip. And the clip still stays where I want it to stay.